What's up, beautiful people all over the world? It's me again, Challenger Girl. Welcome to my house. Before let's get it started, I just want to shout out to all 46.9k subscribers. Welcome to my crib. And of course, I just want to shout out to all our things in there. Thank you so much. Alright, so for today's video, as you can see, I'm holding eggplant. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to eat banana with condensed milk. It's a condensed sweet milk. Alright, so let's get it started, beautiful people. And shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you for your love and support to my channel. Okay. Look, my banana is color brown, but it's still good inside. Still look fresh, look. Just only the skin. This is long and skinny banana. Okay. So no chewing banana, no biting. Okay. I'm going to put some milk. There you go. Oh. I'm going to get diabetes from this condensed milk. It's very sweet. Very sweet. And of course I'm gonna lick so it's not wasted. Okay, let's get this. Oh my god, it's dripping. That's why I need to put plate so it will not drip on my. Okay. Oh my gosh, this one is too sweet. Later, I'm going to call 911. Alright, need to eat real quick because the milk is dripping and this is sticky. Alright, beautiful people, get ready. Watch and learn. Okay. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. Too sweet. Mmm. Challenge accepted. Eating banana without chewing. Alright, beautiful people. Sorry. Oh my god, the banana got mad. All right, thank you for watching. See you next time. I love you all and God bless. Goodbye.